Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer your XRP from any exchange platform to your Trust Wallet application and then converting it to BNB step by step. All right guys, what we're simply going to do is we're going to get our XRP from Binance, seeing as that's the exchange platform I'm using. And once Binance opens up, you simply head over to convert, seeing as most of you might not have any XRP available. So we're going to be converting $12 worth of BNB to XRP. That's the coin we're looking for, XRP right here. And you simply click on max and you click on preview conversion and you click on convert. That's before the timer runs out. And once that's done, we're simply going to minimize our Binance application, head over to Trust Wallet, and input our passcode. Don't forget, guys, before you can gain access to your Trust Wallet application, you need your passcode. And once you've put in your passcode, your Trust Wallet application, once Trust Wallet opens up, you head to the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, like so. Once that's done, you type XRP. And we're going to be using the BEP20 XRP for this transaction. You click on that, click on receive, copy your wallet address, minimize, and head over to your Binance. Once at your Binance, click on the arrow to the right hand side, scroll till you see your XRP, click on XRP, click on withdrawal via crypto network, yes. Paste the address, click on smart chain, and put in the max XRP. So what you'll be receiving is 30 XRP, 30.1 compared to 30.03. What you'll be receiving is 30.1 compared to 30.3. Click on withdraw. Make sure that the wallet address you copied is correct. Click on confirm. And you'll be taken to a menu where you have to input your verification codes. And okay guys, and once you've gotten your verification codes, click on submit. Give it some time to load in. And your transaction is going to be processed. So you just give Binance some time to get done with the transaction. You minimize and head over to your Trust Wallet application. You open it up by putting your passcode. You reload, and you keep on reloading till your XRP is made available to you on your wallet. Most times it might take a few minutes, call it 5 to 10 minutes, and boom, your XRP has arrived, guys. As you can see, 30.1 XRP arrived on our Trust Wallet. Okay, guys, and now that your XRP has arrived on your wallet, we're simply going to head over to the DApp section. Click on Exchange PancakeSwap. That's the PancakeSwap.finance exchange. You give it some time to load in. And once your balance has loaded in, click on this Rise token right here. You give it some time to load the rest of your coins, including the XRP. Click on XRP. Okay, so we're going to be swapping 30 XRP for our BNB. Click on swap, enable XRP. Click on approve. You might want to adjust your slippage tolerance. You adjust it to, let's start with 1. You set your slippage tolerance to 1. Click on swap. Click on confirm swap. Click on approve. And we wait for confirmation, guys. We're just going to wait for the confirmation. And boom, our XRP has been converted to BNB. And now we simply close this, close pancakeswap.finance, and you head over to your Trust wallet. You reload. As you could remember, we had 30 XRP, and now it's been converted to Smart Chain BNB. And boom, guys, our Smart Chain BNB is made available to us. So, guys, that's how you simply send your XRP from Binance to Trust Wallet and convert it to BNB. Comment down below if you have any questions, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.